My name is Frédéric and I'm working for Crosby since 2006. In addition to a range of swivel hoistings and as an alternative to the standard eye bolts, Crosby and Gunnebo developed two products. The Gunnebo rotating eye lifting point is a product available in sizes M8 up to M48. It's fabricated at an ISO 9001 certified factory in Sweden, and it has clear markings on the bolt. So next to the size of the eye bolt, it comes also with the manufacturer's name or logo, as well as the recommended torque to do the installation. Tools are required to do the installation of the rotating eye lifting point. Next to that, Crosby developed the slide lock, which is available in sizes M10 up to M24. No tools are required to do the installation. You just slide the lock, you lock the bolt, do the installation, unlock it again, and it is free to position towards the load. Hope it is all clear. See you at the next episode.